What is up, guys? This is Investing Sensei here to bring you episode 11 of the Webull Options Adventures. So we are on the third week of January, so I'm gonna show you guys what I have on my current trades right now for the third week of January, and we're gonna jump over to the Google Sheets. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how much we made for the second week of January. So this was the previous week. I'll show you guys what I did, what I traded, and my current trades right now on the Webull app. So before we do get started, if you guys are interested in the Webull account itself, you guys are able to sign up. You guys can get 4 free stocks. You'll get a minimum of $21 once you open the account and deposit $100. You can use my referral link. I'll definitely appreciate it. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So I have my account here pulled up. You guys can see that it's at $46,332.30. So it's doing pretty well. If we go down here, you'll see that our available cash balance right now is at $2,252.30. So I'm trying to figure out what I could do with it. I'm thinking some Hylian, but we don't know yet. We are still doing pretty good for this week so far. But if we look at the bottom, you'll see that I do have 100 shares of Wynn Resorts. So I do have a cost basis at $106.94. And I do have a covered call that I sold at $110. It's going to expire on January 22nd, 2021. And I did collect a premium of $1.20, which is $120. Just for anybody that's new, one contract is 100 shares. So you just basically multiply it times 100. That's how much you get. So right now, as you guys can see, the current price of Wynn Resorts is at $110.45. So most likely, since our strike price is at 110, if it stays like this by Friday, our shares will get taken away. So we could potentially get the difference of $110 minus our cost basis of $106.94, which we would make on top of the premium of $120. We would also make $306, which is pretty sweet, and hopefully we can make that amount because that would bring our weekly income up higher. And then the next one we do have is 100 shares of DraftKings. We actually bought these at $52.10, so that's our cost basis. And right now I have a covered call with a strike price at $54.50. The contract will expire on the 22nd of 2021, and we did collect 50 cents, so it will be $50 is what we got. The current price right now of DraftKings is at $53.45. We'll see what happens within this coming two days, see if it goes above the $54.50, because we could potentially get a difference in that. So that would be, let's see, $250 minus 10. We would possibly collect $240. So hopefully I did my math right, but that's on top of what we would have already collected from the premium. So that would be pretty awesome. Our shares would get taken away, but we're gonna see what happens, and that's pretty exciting. And then you guys can see the next one we do have is Beyond Meat. So we have 100 shares of Beyond Meat. Our true cost basis is $140. They do deduct, for some reason, Webull, what we ended up, basically we got assigned 100 shares of Beyond Meat because we sold a cash secured put at $140, and then they subtracted how much we collected from the premium. But our true cost basis is at $140. So we do have the 100 shares. I sold a covered call at $143 as a strike price, and the contract will expire on the 22nd of January 2021. We did collect $203, so $2.03 was our premium. Remember, you guys just multiply it by 100, and right here you guys can see that if right now, Beyond Meat is at $135.40, but if for some reason it was to rally in by the end of Friday, we did end up, it was over $143, our shares would get taken away, and we could potentially make an extra $300. So in total, we could make $300 as our projected, plus our premium. That's about $503. So that would be pretty amazing as well. So, the whole focus of this portfolio is to continually generate that premium, collect the capital appreciation as well. And so far we're doing pretty well, so I don't mind if my shares do get taken away, because this is not a long-term growth portfolio. I do have some of those in a different brokerage account, but this is more of my, hopefully, to try to generate $1,000 per week. And then the downside about this is that we will pay regular income tax, so that's the only downside. You guys can see the next one we do have is AT&T. I had 100 shares, and we do have a covered call, but that one I'm not going to add to how much we made for this week, because we already added that last week, but it will expire all the way till February. The premiums on AT&T are not that very good right now, so that one we are just holding. We will be collecting the dividend though, so that's one awesome thing about if you are stuck with dividend paying companies, you will be collecting the dividend plus a premium as you sell those covered calls. And then the last one you guys can see, we do have NEO. We do have 200 shares. Our cost basis is $63.59. So I was hoping that it was going to go up, and it didn't go down. It actually went down to $57.65 is the current price. We'll see what happens. I know NEO will eventually recover, so I'm not worried about that. I'm going to see if I can sell a covered call tomorrow or Friday for the following week, see how much premium we can collect. But we would basically sell 2 covered calls. That'll definitely make the change in how much we make for this week. So stay around and see how much we make. But this is all I have for you guys this on the Webull app. But let's go ahead and jump over to the Google Sheets so we can find the real numbers. Alright guys, so we are here at the spreadsheet. I do have this available if you guys want to check it out. It's in the video description. I was asked about it. It's completely not fully working, so there's a couple things that don't work. Let me know what things we can improve on, but you guys wanted to get access to it, so there it was. You guys can make a copy of it and then modify and fix it if you guys need to. Just need to make some time and actually make these fixed. But let's go ahead and actually find out how much we actually made for this previous week. So that week was actually on the 11th, and then we went all the way till, for that week was the 15th is when it ended, so that was that Friday, and we ended up making a total of $572.54, which is pretty awesome. As you guys can see right here, that we did basically collected in premiums $647.14. We didn't get anything in gains, but we did end up buying some back, well, I guess some options. So we ended up paying $74 to buy some options back. But in total, we did make $572, which is pretty awesome. As you guys can see here in the weekly, you'll see that we do have the total amount for us. So week 32, and then we ended up, our whole portfolio value right now is at $47,693.74. And then for our current average per week right now is $641.92. That's our average income per week, which is pretty awesome. Total what we've collected this year has been $1,283.83. And then so far our current return is 2.77%. And this is actually pretty awesome. So if we go over here to the credits, I'm gonna show you guys what we did. So everything that's in blue means that this was the previous week. So this is what we did for the previous week. You guys can see we did sell some covered calls, some cash secured puts. We bought some of them expired. And then the ones that are in orange are the ones active for this week or are still open. So like for AT&T, it doesn't expire till February 5th, 2021. We only collected about $10, and these other ones are the ones from this previous week, as you guys can see, from the 11th all the way to the 13th. Some of these were covered calls, cash secured puts, some of them expired as well, and some of them we bought back earlier. And then the ones in the orange are the ones that we are actively trading right now. And then these right here, we made some pretty awesome money with the NEO ones. And the current one that isn't colored in right now is the DraftKings, which I did today, and I haven't gotten the trading window portion because I don't know how much fees we got charged. I believe it's about going to be 10 cents, but I don't like to highlight it until I know the full confirmation. And let's look at the debit. So how much did we buy back? All the ones in the blue are what we did from the previous week. So some of them we did buy back, as you guys also saw from the credits. This is how much we paid. So we didn't pay that much. We did make a lot of returns. You guys can see the purchase of Neo. We bought 200 shares. We spent about 12,000. And then the one in orange is the one that we've spent so far for this week. So we spent about $42.16. But we've also made a lot of money so far. For gains, we haven't really done anything for this week. So, and as well, this also tells you in the dashboard, because right here you'll see that we didn't do anything. 0 gains, $74 in our debit, and in our credit we did. This is how much we collected in premium. So that's pretty sweet. If you guys are interested in the spreadsheet, it's available for free. I don't charge anything. But let's go ahead and actually see how much we have made so far. So on the 18th, which was this week, the stock market was closed, but it won't matter for us. We'll just still start it there. And the end date for us will be on the 22nd. So far we've made about $330.54. Most of this is premium. So this is how much we've collected, and this is how much we've bought back. And remember guys, that these gains will probably increase depending on how the stock actually closes by Friday, because some of them could get taken away. Will make the difference as well. So we could potentially make this up to $600, $700, depending on how the stocks perform by Friday. So yeah guys, this is all I have for you guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I did get a request for doing a video on do's and don'ts on selling options, so I am going to work on that hopefully this coming week if I get some time. But if you guys have any other ideas on the topics that you guys want me to cover, let me know in the comment section as well. Remember, I am new to this. I'm not an expert, so definitely bear with me. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe it with the bell notification if you haven't done so already. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care. Stay safe out there. Bye, guys.